In the vibrant folds of nature, survival takes on a delicious twist. One adventurer, faced with an empty stomach, learned the art of wild foraging. He stumbled upon a patch of wild berries, a sweet surprise that provided sustenance. But it didn't stop there. With keen observation, he also discovered edible mushrooms, transforming his meal from ordinary to extraordinary. Meanwhile, he encountered a curious deer, reminding him of the delicate balance between nature and human presence. By blending culinary delight with survival skills, he not only nourished his body, but also deepened his respect for the wilderness. Embrace nature's bounty and let survival be a flavorful adventure.